What's something people don't know about a bachelor's in English language? It can open the gateway to endless possibilities. Our Bachelor's in English Language and Literature is a 4-year American program with 3 main areas of study: Linguistics, Literature, and TESOL. Get hands-on experience with a 60-hour supervised teaching practicum. But wait, there's more. Boost your career prospects with a minor in communications and choose among a rich variety of electives such as theater, semiotics and film, language and gender, intercultural communication and creative writing. Choose flexible courses that suit your schedule and take advantage of our financial aid, small-sized classes, and personalized mentoring. Did you know? 90% of our graduates are currently employed in a range of professions such as English teachers, translators, copy editors, content strategists, and writers of English language learning materials. That could be you. Your future starts here. Ready to take the next step? Visit www.hec.gr or email admissions@honiv.edu today. Transform your career with a Bachelor in English Language and Literature at Hellenic American College.